Hey, welcome back everybody to Coffee Sometimes Tea with Marcelo and Jen. Jen's actually away doing a shoot, so you guys are stuck with me tonight. All right, so we're going to continue our series on pitches. So everybody says, so what's a pitch? So do you know usually when you go to a networking group, if you go to a meeting, that kind of stuff, and people are like, "So what do you do?" And you usually get tongue tied. So what what we did was we developed a assistant that takes care of that for you. So if you get tongue twisted, you could go ahead and type in here an 11, call it the elevator pitch. So quick pitch, you're done, ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and start here with create an elevator pitch for a small business, and I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see here, it asks a question. So to craft a targeted elevator pitch, could you please provide more information? So what is it? So we're going to do today like a football league, like a little like YMA or one of those. Give me one. Let's type it in here. So let's go with football league for youth. Okay. So revolutionizing youth development through sports, that's kind of long, drawn out. So we always wanted to start shorter, right? So you click A. Oops. Click A. There we go. All right. So went ahead and did shorter. So empowering the next generation of athletes. Okay, let's see. No, we went ahead and went shorter again. Here we go. Shaping future stars through football, where talent meets opportunity and growth. So, which is perfect, but I want a little more catchy. So hit C. Let it do its thing. Okay, so I want to make it shorter than that. So fueling young champions, the perfect. Our league, that's a great little pitch right there. So I want to provide 3 little catchy ones. Score big in life. Join our youth league and play your way to success. Dream, play, achieve. Elevate your game. Here we go. Beyond the game. Our league molds young talent into disciplined team players destined for greatness. It's a great little pitch. Dream, play, achieve. I like that one. Elevate your game in our youth football league and unlock your potential. So, you could build these pitches, go through this, and then you ask something you can actually put. Now, if you really wanted to, you can kind of throw something up here, revolutionizing youth development through sports. You can use that on like a website or a blog or something. But for like a quick little elevator pitch, like put them on a card or a flyer. I mean, these are perfect. So then at this point, you would hit E because you don't want to generate anymore. And then it's going to basically say thank you. So what you could also do is you could share this link here. So you would take this link and you could take this and stick it right on your desktop and use it. So if you click on it, it goes right to a brand new pitch perfect. And you can start over again. So by using this, it'll help you guys shorten those moments of, what do you do? Straight to the point. You don't have to stress about things and go from there. So, we did a lot of meetings and a lot of getting together, going to events. And, people would ask us, so what do you do? And we would always, run into the whole, blank mind, or you want to name off like 100 things that you do. So this kind of brings it down to one little spot, and talks about just generalizing what you do. Okay. So I just kind of wanted to run that by you guys. I mean, you can keep going. and keep running through this, right? And not have to worry about it. You could take these and play with them, mix them around. If you don't like it, you could do a whole nother one. Start over again. So those are the cool things with this that you could do. Make it fun. Make it to your liking. So now this is done in ChatGPT 4, the paid version. Okay, and you only have limited amount that you can use. We'll go deeper into that. We also have a school that we put together. It's a nice little community with like-minded people that will be diving deeper into ChatGPT and AI tools for businesses and personal life, for personal development. And also in that class, we'll be doing a live session one night a week that you guys can come join us, hang out, and and learn, and then ask questions. Tell us what you're wanting us to do, telling us what you're looking to do, what kind of business you wanted to start. You can message us directly in there. We're posting in there, posting some fun stuff to do. We're also going to show you how to build this bot. Jen built this assistant or bot, however you want to call it. So we're going to show you guys how to make this as well for yourself. But it's here for you. So you just click on this link right here. Oops. Take that link, copy, paste it, and you're good to go. Okay? Perfect. I was just making sure everything is. So again, I want to say thank you guys for joining tonight. Thank you for hanging out with me at Marcelo at Coffee Sometimes Tea, and we'll catch you on the next one. You guys have a good night. Thank you very much.